Friends, I usually spend around 60 minutes editing a talking head clip. This time with Vmake it took only 60 seconds. Not a fantasy, actually possible. Traditional editors drain too much energy and effort. This tool is built to speed up your workflow without cutting corners. It's designed for creators who value time and quality. I am Daniel, and in this video, I'll show you how this platform works. You'll see how the templates help your visuals stand out and how it can save you hours every week. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's get started. Folks, Vmake is an AI-powered editing app that handles all the tedious stuff automatically. Think auto captions, AI-generated hooks, and ready-to-use templates that you can apply straight to your timeline. No extra apps, no complicated workflows. It works great if you post videos regularly and just want them to look polished without spending forever in post-production. You upload your footage, pick a template, and the app does the heavy lifting for you. Guys, what really stands out here is how fast everything happens. The AI handles caption timing and even thumbnail effects in seconds. You just make small tweaks if needed and export. So it's like having an assistant who knows exactly what your video needs and gets it done while you grab coffee. My friends, time to see how Vmake actually works in detail. When you open the platform, the first thing that stands out is how organized it feels. Everything a creator might need is right here, from editing tools to smart generators. Let's start with editing and captions. I'm uploading a short clip, and you can see how the process begins right away. The system automatically analyzes the video, detects speech, and highlights key phrases. A few moments later, subtitles appear, already matched to the rhythm of the clip. It's fast and it looks natural from the start. Now, pals, the real power is in customization. You can update the style and change how text should look like, from font to color. If you need more control, open Advanced Settings to fine-tune spacing or style transitions. It feels smooth and intuitive. Vmake also helps you clean up your sound. If your clip has background noise, the denoise tool does the job. You'll see two sliders. Adjust them until your audio sounds clear and balanced. Folks, you can also control sound effects and background music from the same panel, which keeps everything in sync. Trimming and cutting are just as easy. Use the timeline to split or shorten clips, move them around, and set the perfect flow. Once you're satisfied, export your video or download captions as an SRT file. The export screen lets you choose resolution and aspect ratio, and rendering only takes a few seconds. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. It's all here. So folks, stick around. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, it's not just fast, it's smart, or your budget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now let's look at one of Vmake's newest tools, the AI hook. This feature helps you create short, catchy intros or hooks for your content. I'll try the UGC hook generator. You enter a short prompt, then pick a voice. I'll pick this one. You can even select an avatar, custom or preset one. For example, this guy looks suitable. Next, you choose visual effects and a style template. There are plenty of options to match your tone. After you confirm, the platform generates two versions, a raw video and a styled one.
Think learning languages takes years. Sure, but not without daily practice sessions. Think learning languages takes years. Sure, but not without daily practice sessions.
My friends, the styled version looks polished, with synced captions and smooth transitions. It's ready for posting, but you can still edit it further right here in the editor. All the same steps and tools. And that's not all. Vmake also offers an AI thumbnail generator. It lets you pick a ready-made template, swap your product image, and instantly create a thumbnail that fits your content. The ad generator works the same way. Choose a format and make a full promotional piece. You can even use the built-in templates for quick brand customization. Guys, the app lets you generate videos, images, and the animations with the same simple process. Just add your content and let the tool do the rest. The interface also shows trending pieces made by other creators. It's a great way to find inspiration and see how others use Vmake for their projects. So the whole system works like one connected studio. Every feature blends with the next, making your workflow faster and more creative. Okay, folks, let's sum it up. I must say, Vmake brings everything together in one smooth experience. It handles captions, sound, and visuals with the kind of precision that makes your videos look professional. You still make the final call on the result, but this platform takes care of the repetitive work that usually slows you down. Pals, if you create videos often, it's worth exploring. Try the templates and see how much time you can save with it. How do you usually edit your content? Do you prefer full manual control, or would you trust AI to speed things up? Let me know in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.